Hi guys, welcome to this video. This will be the last video of the series of videos that I've been making about Ubuntu 26.04. We installed Ubuntu 26.04 and I have already made 3 videos about setting up Ubuntu 26.04 to my liking. And this will be the final video where we will see how to get Doom Emacs to work on Ubuntu 26.04. And then there are some errors that are showing up when I open the terminal. We are going to figure that out as well. So let's move over to the virtual machine itself. This is the virtual machine that we have been using for the past 4 videos. So the thing is, let me open up a terminal. There are some errors here. We will figure those errors out. But before that, let's open up Emacs. So when I open up Emacs, we get vanilla Emacs, not Doom Emacs, although Doom Emacs is already installed. We did that in the previous video. Let's go to a file manager, and we are in the .config directory here. We have Doom and Emacs. Now the thing is, what I did in the previous video was I deleted this particular folder as well. This directory also was deleted by me, but that should not happen. So don't touch any of these things in the .config folder. Go back to the home folder and delete this .emacs.d alone. So let me delete that. And now let's close this. Let's make sure it's not here. Let's try to open up Emacs and let's see. Doom Emacs must open. Yes, Doom Emacs has opened. That is a really good thing. So you can see I also have imported my Doom Emacs config files. I showed you how to do that in my first video itself. So that's the thing. Emacs problem has been solved. Now let me open up a terminal. Now you can see some errors here because pfetch is not found. And if you remember, in the first setting up video, we actually installed fast fetch instead of pfetch because pfetch is no longer being developed, and not only that, pfetch is also not available in the standard Ubuntu repository. So we actually installed fast fetch. So let's see, fast fetch, it's installed. So if I do fast fetch, you can see fast fetch opens like this. Now how do I get this to come here? Let me close this terminal and let's do space ff in Doom Emacs to open up the file explorer. But before that, it is asking me whether I should whether Doom Emacs must download emoji images. Not available. Should I download them now? I'm going to give Y so that it downloads it. That should happen in the background. Yes, it has completed. Now let's go to this particular folder. Let me go back. Let me do space ff. I am in my home directory in this file explorer, and let's go to .config /fish and config.fish. So we are going to change just one line. So you can see in the beginning there is a pfetch here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, I'm not able to zoom in. Okay, pfetch. I am going to just change that to fast fetch. Now Doom Emacs uses the Vim key binding. So if you are somebody who is already familiar with Vim, you will find Doom Emacs pretty easy. So I have replaced pfetch with fast fetch. Now I'm going to escape to get out of insert mode, and then :WQ to write and quit, or you can just write it. And now let me open up fish. I should not have that error. Fast fetch is here, and then I have Cause and Fortune, but this takes up a lot of space. That doesn't matter. We can actually make this very small as well. Maybe in the next video I'll be making a video about how to configure fast fetch, and it's not going to be a full-fledged configuration or anything. I'm just going to show you how to remove all the unwanted stuff here and to make the logo small. So I think we have set up the system as we like. We had a problem with Brave. I was not able to figure out the problem with Brave, but anyway, I was also having problems with Brave in my real machine as well. So Qt browser as my default browser would actually be fine for me. So I'm not going into solving that issue in this video. So I think everything was okay. If I had missed something, kindly let me know. If possible, I'll make a video on how to solve it. So my next video, I'll be showing how to configure fast fetch. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have something to say about this video or about anything else, you can mention them in the comment section. If you think that this video will be useful to somebody, kindly share this video. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.